Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Shall we start now?
Yes, sir.
There in the school today?
Yes, sir.
School?
Yes, sir.
Do you recognize the school? बोर्ड पहचान लिया आपने?
What, sir?
Do you remember the board? This is your school's.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, when all teachers are in school.
yes, all the teachers are in school today.
Sir, why?
From today, all the teachers will be taking class from the school only.
But sir, from 10th from 10th Feb there is school starting.
Schools are reopening from 10th of February for classes 6 to 8. All the classes from 6 to 8.
Sir, 9.
6 to 8 will also.
And sir, school is started from 1 March.
For all the children, younger ones, you all to class 5 also. School will be starting from 1st of March. And for the elder ones, class 6 to 8, school will be starting from 10th of February.
Yes, ma'am. 10th. Yes, sir. 10th February.
So we have in exercise.
Sir, exercise 22. Excuse sir.
Yes. Yes. In exercise, tell me. In exercise.
20.
I have a doubt. Sir,
Do you have any?
sir, please tell me 20.3 B part 51.
Fifth one, it is a parallelogram. The area of a parallelogram is base into height. And
Sir, but one is centimeter, one is meter.
there is a misprint in the figure. There is a misprint in the figure. Instead of 8 meter, it will be 8. 8 meter की जगह 8 centimeter. Okay. There is a misprint. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. बताओ बेटा.
Can you
Keep your mics on.
2.1?
Yes. You're asking something? Yes. Anyone having any doubt?
Sir,
Yes. Ask.
Sir, the question of 2.1 C1 first.
Your voice is not clear, beta. I'm not able to understand what you are saying. So we have done till exercise 20.3. Question A and B we have done.
Yes, sir, we will do C.
I am telling you the answers of all the parts of क्वेश्चन बी के सारे पार्ट्स के आंसर्स मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, यू जस्ट चेक योर आंसर्स. ओके, फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन बी, it is a parallel and the area is
Sir,
this.
excuse me, sir.
बोलो बेटा जी.
Sir, I was asking that if we are doing a exercise or the revision.
We are doing exercise. 20.3 exercise कर रहे हैं हम. Okay. We are doing exercise 20.3. Okay. Question B के मैं आपको आंसर बता रहा हूँ. Question B, first part.
Sir, I have made the
Done.
So first part, the answer is 60 centimeter square. 60 centimeter square.
Sir, correct.
Okay. Second part, answer is 9 centimeter square. Second part, 9 centimeter.
Sir, my is correct.
Third part, the answer is. Third part, the answer is 38.5 centimeters square.
Sir, mine is correct. Please tell me third one.
38.5 centimeters square.
Sir, the solution.
Okay, you want me to do the solution of the third one?
Yes, sir.
Third one. This is the triangle given in third one. This is 11 centimeters and this side is 7 centimeters. Base is 7, height is 11. So I am writing here base equal to 7 centimeters and height equals to 11 centimeters. Area of a triangle, you know, the area is equal to half into base into height. Area of a triangle is half into base into height. This is the formula. So area will be, what is the base? 7. Is the value. What is the height? 11.
11 centimeter.
Sir, I want to ask that in the first the first figure which is parallelogram, the base is of 10 centimeter. So sir, as a it is I am when I have make the line, it become very big and it can't become on my page as I am doing in the half page. So what should I do?
Sorry, I did not understood. What are you saying?
Sir, in the first figure of parallelogram, the base is of 10 centimeter. So when I have made the line of 10 centimeter, it is very big and it can't be made in my half page. So
Yes. So अरे बेटा यू डोंट. अच्छा श्योर है, मेरी बात सुनो. श्योर बेटा, मेरी बात सुनिए आप.
Sir, we can make a
Yes, sir.
small
yes,
pencil.
sir.
मेरी बात सुनो. श्योर है आपको एक्चुअली में 10 सेंटीमीटर.
Yes, sir.
आपको जो बुक में दिया हुआ है सेम एक्चुअल साइज का, वो एक रफ फिगर ड्रॉ करना है बस. Don't make the sides of actual size.
Okay, sir.
Actual size draw नहीं करना आपको. Okay. Got it?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, now please start the
Yes,
exercise.
sir.
Pause. and then just find the area. Okay. So now third one, 1 into 7 into 11, it is 77 upon 2. 77 upon 2 centimeter square. But you can write the answer in decimal also. So if you convert this in decimal, you will divide 77 by 2.
So, sir, if we wrote the answer in fraction, so it would be correct.
Sorry, if we
Sir, we wrote the answer in fraction only, so it would be correct.
then you convert it in decimal. You have to convert it in decimal.
Okay, sir.
1, 7, copy down. Then 2 8s are 16. Difference is 1. Now 1 is remainder.
Yes, now we will put decimal and then we will add 0.
Yes, sir.
Write in the decimal. You will write 5 here. Then 10. Remainder is 0. So what is the answer? 38.5. 38.5 centimeter square. This is the answer. Okay.
Maya is correct.
Very good. Okay, next question. Okay, the next वाले का आंसर मैं बता रहा हूँ. Answer of the fourth one. It is 63 centimeter square. It is a rectangle. Fourth one. Answer is 63 centimeter square. Then fifth one is
Correct.
the fifth one is a parallelogram. Fifth one, the answer is 32 centimeter square. फिफ्थ वाले में आपको वो 8 मीटर दिया हुआ है, दैट इज अ मिसप्रिंट. उसको 8 मीटर की जगह 8 सेंटीमीटर कर लीजिए. मेक इट 8 सेंटीमीटर इन द फिफ्थ वन. इंस्टेड ऑफ 8 मीटर मेक इट 8 सेंटीमीटर.
Maya is correct.
Okay. So answer is 32 centimeter square. Then sixth one is a square and the area is 121 centimeter square.
Yes, sir. Maya is correct. As 11 square is equals to 121.
121 centimeter square. Sixth one. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number C. In this, you have to divide the figure into small shapes so that you can find the total area of the given figure. Okay, बहुत easy questions हैं. I will help you in this.
So we have to first half of it, then we have to find 2 triangle.
Yes, sir. It is like tilted T. Sir, we have to draw the figure also.
Yes, you have to draw the
Sir, I
figure.
was about to ask you.
It is compulsory to draw the figure.
Sir, please wait for 1 minute.
Yes. Question C. Question C. First one. In the first one, the figure is like this. It is like this: 2 centimeter, 5 centimeters, 2, 5, then 2, 6, 2 centimeter and 6. So you have to find the area of this figure in question number 3, first part. Now, how we can find the area of this figure? We have not studied the formula of finding the area of this figure, but still we can
Sir,
find.
first we will half. We will do half of it. Then it will come rectangle, rectangle. Then we will find the area of them, and then we will add it.
Yes. First, you join.
Sir, they are known as the
We will add
irregular figures.
If you join
Sir,
this
they
line,
are the irregular figures.
join this line, the figure is divided into two rectangles. So this is your rectangle number 1, and this is rectangle number 2. So how to find the area of both the area of the given figure is very simple. Total area equals to area 1 plus area 2. Area of the first rectangle plus area of the second rectangle. If you do this, you can get the area of the total figure. Okay. Can you find the areas of both the rectangles? Length and breadth are given in both the cases.
Sir, 22.
The first rectangle, 5 into 2, 5 into 2.
The answer is 22.
The area of a rectangle is 5 into 2, length into breadth. Second one, 6 into 2, length is 6, breadth is 2.
Sir, 22 is the correct answer.
So
Sir,
10.
we can't write it separate.
You can write separately also. This is easier to do. 5 into 2 is 10, plus 6 into 2 is 12. So 10 plus 12 is 22 centimeter square. Clear? Do
Yes,
you
sir.
draw the figure also?
Sir, done. Now can I do second one?
Yes, those are the second one. Yes, have you all done the second part? May I help you with the second part also?
Yes, sir. Please help in the second part.
In the second part, we will.
Sir, I want to ask in second part, one will be rectangle and one.
Yes, one will be rectangle and one will be square. There is another way of doing it. So this is the figure in second part. This is 6 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. 4 and 2. Okay. So this is the figure. Now you can very easily find the area of this if you join a line like this. If you join this, so this figure is now divided into two shapes. The first one is a rectangle and the second one is a square. So in a square, we all know that all the sides are equal. So this is also 2. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. These two sides are equal. And this is the rectangle. First figure, 4 and 5. These are the sides. Find the area of the second figure now. Can you all find it now? Can you all do the second one now? Second part. Tell me, Vita. Do the second part. And then do the third part. Yes, Rishika, do you want to ask something? Rishika Agarwal, do you want to ask something? Are you all able to hear me? Can you? Have you all
Yes,
done?
sir, we are
Yes,
able
sir,
to
I
hear
can.
you. Sir, is the second answer 24 centimeter square?
Yes, sir. Is it 24 centimeters?
Second one, the answer is 24 centimeters square. Correct. Very good.
Yes, sir,
Okay, sir.
mine.
Mine is correct. Third one.
The area of first rectangle 5. Area of second.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, is third one parallelogram and triangle?
I will help
Yes,
you.
sir. Is it Up. No, sir. It is just. I think it's.
It is a rectangle.
Sir,
Third one is the
but
rectangle.
it in question.
It's
it
triangle
is
and
written-
triangle.
Typically, third one. So you join a line like this. This side is 5 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters.
Sir, but in question it is written we have to find out of only square and triangle. Square and rectangle. Sir.
So this one is, look at this.
Sir, in the question to find only of rectangle and squares.
We have to find the area of rectangle.
Here the question is find the area of the given figures by dividing each shape rectangle and square.
Second one, we have to find the area of rectangle and a square. In the third one, we have to find the area of rectangle and triangle. अब इस triangle की height क्या है? What is the height of this triangle? It is 4 centimeter only. What is the height of the triangle? 4. Because this is 4, this side is also 4. Okay. And what is the base of the triangle? The base is 2 centimeters. कैसे आया 2 centimeters? The total side is given 7. पूरा यहाँ से लेकर के यहाँ तक जो है this is 7. पूरा 7. तो ये केवल what is from here to here? It is 5 because this is 5, so this is also 5. And अब 7 minus 5. ये वाला point is 2. So base of the triangle is 2 and height of the triangle is 4. Area in this figure, area equals to, this is first and this is second.
It is 4 meter.
Area 1 plus area 2. Area 1 is 5 into 4. Area 1 is 5 into 4 plus area 2 is half into base into height. It is a triangle, so you will use the formula half into base into height 4. Okay. So 5 into 4 is 20 plus यहाँ पर 2 से 2 कैंसिल होता है क्या बताइए 4 1 into 1 into 4 is 4 20 plus 4 that means answer is 24 centimeter square. Clear? Answer of the third one 24 centimeter square.
Sir, in the three shapes.
Sir, can you explain the fourth question again?
Sir, I think in the fourth we will divide this figure in.
Sir, can you explain the third question again?